we've had a couple questions regarding our inflatable arches. Sometimes when we have to rush ship them, they get sent with the blower not already installed. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. So when you get your arch, you should have these two pieces. Sometimes this hole won't be cut yet. So I'll explain to you guys what to do real quick, but what's gonna happen is you're gonna unscrew this plate, this orange ring here, and you're gonna have it clamp to the outside of the arch. I'm just gonna set that to the side. I'm gonna feed the blower through here. It'll be matched with the base of your arch. You're gonna line up these holes, put the plate back on, and just reinstall it from there. Now, if you do not already have a hole cut, what you should do is take off this plate, put it around this same spot, trace a circle with a pen or a marker using this as the outline, and then cut that circle out. That'll give you the right size hole, and then use these to mark small holes to cut out for the screws to get locked in. Now that's locked in, you'll just take the cord, feed it out through the zipper, zip up your arch. Go ahead and plug it in. It'll start to inflate your arch.